day everyone. So now I'm going to create a simple media player into a module media stream so that supports multiple media sources, backup files, and etc. So later we will discuss or demonstrate kung saan na to or how the code executes o kung saan flow ani. So by the way, I'm David Manaytay. So now mag-create ang realistic scenario. So ang deliverable should source code representative with the minimum commits until readme. So ang readme niya, no? So muna sa video demonstration and architecture explanation, diagrams on screen. Cool. So first nanamadaan ko yung source code or give ko na code. So i-explain na to, which is first i-explain na to ang architectural explanation, which is diagrams on screen. So first ato ta sa ato ang architecture overview. So mo niya ko ang architecture overview, which is the modular media streaming solve is developed using structural design pattern to support multiple media sources, fly plugins, composite playlist, runtime, rendering strategy switching, and remote proxy caching. So ang ginagawa nila sa modular media streaming, which is nag-depend na siya or nasa mga components dito sa sulod, which is ang mga composite playlist o mga plugins, runtime, rendering strategy, switching, and remote proxying for caching. So i-demo na to once pwede ko na. So napun din mga key components area, which is ang media source interface, adapters, decorator, composite, proxy, and bridge. So mao na isulod sa structural design, which is kini ang mga component sa structural design pattern. So mo ni dapat ma-implement na to sa atong and then the pattern used is adapter as different media source to media interface, decorator, add feature like subtitles, equalizer, automatically, composite noise, playlist, and strings, media components, proxy, and then bridge. So by the way, ang ginagamit na to diri is ang Java language, which is kini is i-demo na to with a work through code only, which is natin mga output diri, which is like text code or text output ng video siya, no? Si ending atay kuan na para mas masabot niyo ang architectural, which is nakabutang man diri diagram on screen. So mo ni it's to ang UML. So makita niyo natin mga like kuan diri relationship every tables, proxies. Makita niyo mga first one is the remote proxy, real subject, and then media player, media components, renderer, media source, media file, playlist, media decorator, super renderer, hardware renderer, remote API adapter, HLS adapter, local file adapter, watermark decorator, audio. So tanan na diri sa UML table is naato sa ato ang mga requirements. So that's why muna nabuhat na to as an UML table, which in every table has a relationship in other table. So that's how para ma-execute ito or mas ma-implement na ito mga components sa ato ang structural design patterns. So mauna sa architectural demonstration. And then next is ang i-work through mo sa mga classes and patterns. So first kita sa ato ang ng Java. So makita niyo diri all kito mga design patterns ay ang components sa structural design patterns is na-implement diri kito proxy and different components of structural design pattern. So which is diri nag-rendering ta, which is kini akong gibuhat is ang gina-allow na ko ang user is to choose kung say mas ganahan niya o choose niya o kung say mas nindot na ikuan niya sa media player. Choose niya butang ba niyang subtitle, watermark ba niya, ana or etc. kita mga requirements that should be implemented sa ato ang panriya. So makita niyo na timing class, makita niyo ang proxy pattern, all structural design pattern demonstrated ko natay proxy pattern diri, composite, bridge, decorator pattern, Hanapon tayo adapter. Diba? Kitang, ako naman ito adapter is, if wala ng adapter is, we are not unable to connect from like user to server, which ang adapter is a middleware or middleman that akan connect sa user into server, which is ano sa adapter, no? So decorator pattern naman is like sa like i-decorate niya like mga nakabot naman sa on fly plugins, no? The composite naman is mali like ikaw na taon niya ikaw na discuss nito sa mga kanya sa bridge pattern, which is ginakuha ng mga high complexities sa kini like sa media player or like sa code. And sa proxy naman, so proxy is like dili ka basta-basta ka kuan like ang proxy pwede sa middleware para mag-execute ang like mamoragyan mo sila sa sa kuan kini tawag na to na adapter, but naano siya kalihan o mga characteristics na and then ito mga audio equalizer kini media ang tanan tong mga kuan is gi-implement din na to first class na mga playlist diri mga short code, but daghan siya mga connection with each other playlist more proxy kini proxy i-implement sa media source because you cannot remote if wala man kay media source niyo. So muna gamit sa remote proxy diri, which is ang proxy remote proxy is di na like remote you can able to stop or undo window ano no. So when it comes to remote kini renderer ang renderer is nanantay do ako ng hardware or software, which user can choose i-hardware ba niya or software. Nandiyo software, so subtitle, watermark. So tanan tong kuan is na implement gina to, which is tong kabutan diri render playing mode catch stream. So sa deliverables man po sa architecture overview sa kita po na to sa UML ay i-discuss na nato tayo UML pinilagyan ko na ito ikon dari, so which is kini user's interface. Makita ninyo from the interface na media component, which is given by the attributes for niya. And then relationship is a media decorates a media source, which ang also the remote proxy is implements the media source and catches media source. The playlist composes media component with media file or playlist. Sige, render implementation are switched as runtime. So and then wala no, so it's as runtime. So mala which is gina tagging which tagging the renderer, which is ang runtime niya is turn on or off lang siya. Na siya. And then sequence diagram at least to so sequence po na to. So money play media flow, which is user main play main so, money flow niya from main to media source play, media source to adapter play muna sa local file adapter. So, then ang apply tang decorator stack para ang user to main it create media watermark decorator. Isang para ma-implement na ito sa itong mga nila na ito na i-implement based sa katuwang activity na kaibigan audio. So more gawin ng kwantang mga sa media o sa ito mga like details dito or something na kailangan dito. So mo po nila sa itong pag-implement. So playlist play flow upload siya to menu play playlist playlist media component play, then proxy caching flow. So this will make the proxy play remote just ang proxy is nag-implement na dito remote proxy para like ma-execute na to and then next is section design na rational. So sa rational po na to rationally is we have the 198 words. So first that I gonna use ang use of by. So adapter para is used for use sa adapter local. Sa adapter mode API adapter to provide uniform interface for different users. Manigamit niya without changing your code. So that's why this element can duplicate the definition code and I believe legacy media player. And then the decorator pattern applied for fly plugins and the decorator audio call sa decorator watermark extended will allow dynamic addition for pictures subject to watermarking without subclassing enable flexible plugin stacking and so on and so forth. So based on sa atong components ato ang structural design pattern is composite pattern, proxy, bridge pattern, and also the benefits is the modularity. Its pattern addresses specific content, so which is its pattern gina-address niya kung sa ito like specific or kung saan lang gusto niya i-execute na siya mga specific concern. Then ang extensibility is easy to add new sources for when used, so that's how like friendly ko naman siya. So that's why easy lang sa ito mag-add new sources like plugins or renderers. And the mutability is clean separation or responsibilities. And then the flexibility is random composition and decorations with renderers listed lessons which is the toggling renderers, which is simply as that, which is turn on and off runtime motion. And then ano siya, system reflection 3 loops and then the last is a short readme. So ang readme na ito ano siya na-address siya ang features, design pattern use, ito structural design pattern and the components niya how to run. So karon ira na to ang gihimo na system para ma-gihimo na nato unsay kuan niya. So from this then muna to ang structural project structure na the project structure docs deliverables source code with the many project commits the condition to spoiler working demonstration of all patterns. So very clear naman yung ang pagka-implement sa itong components belong with the structural design pattern based sa itong activity ng mga requirements. So now ato ang iran na siya pamaagi anihin na 1. So, as I said earlier, di ko na ko ni para sa mas kuan sa user kung sa gusto niyo choose. So first one, naman tayo 1 to 6 sa choices nila para madi mo ito tanong kung sa iba. So first one, pick mo contact 1. So, user can freely choose kung sa local file, SQL string, remote API, remote proxy with capture. So first one is magpumit ang local file. Kaya yun na, kaya din mo pwede na yung maka-SQL string o maka-remote API if you don't have a local file, diba? So first one. So, 1. Source code. Pag na to, naman ko yung video diri. Kaya lang kung magkuha diri file lang kung kaya naman kung magkuha diri like mga videos na ko din tapos i-copy file lang na ko siya. So muna to, kita nyo yung users added successfully na no. And then, magkuhan ta plugins na to. So, 2. So, local inter-source number. So, tab 1. So, like, multiple alarm na. So, audio equalizer 1 to subtitle rendering, motor mapping. So, pin lang ta. Sa, like, audio equalizer. So, for me, like, magkuhan to sa subtitle. Subtitle. Kita nyo, ito plugins, 2 plugins applied successfully. Ending. Ano naman ta nakapin naman ta sa user, hindi naman natin isa sa natin ng para mo ako na is-ili mo sa inyo sa mga purposes para kito mga bilong sa structural design para is truly or ma-implement din itong tao. So, hindi. Tapos naman sa kuhan, and proceed to 3. So, subject to decorator. So, muna na. Introduce namin to add a playlist. So, kung separated, this is bang butandog, one. So, introduce one is playlist created successfully. Hindi. Tapos na to is proceed to sa 4, which is as user choose if it's software rendering money or hardware rendering. So the difference of the software the word software is that sa internal quality and the hardware are the external. So if I'm a user, I choose the software. So software rendering selected. So and then 5, you choose tag 5, play media. So individual source 2, or with individual registers, Atlanta. So rendering software configure media content. So in there, 6 is to software, gi-render niya software, which gitagal na niya ito, which gina-off na niya after you like as is you watch the movie. After you turn on the proxy, naman they remove it on, and after that watching the movie or like something media player, then i-off na to, which is itawag na tagal renderer. So modo next mo naman na to or na-demo naman na to dun sa yung mga kuan nila from the kuan, like choosing the app Windows's local file, then subtitles ito na, and then as so na naman nato gisa-isa, wala mo nato na isa-isa, pero ang kuan is ang function niya. If ang function ba, if ang isang function naman, so ang other na function ba ito through itong implementation ito sa components of the structural design pattern is fully implemented. So that's why it can be executed or runnably, or it can runnable. So tapos we can exit na. So mo to hindi mo naman ito itong architecture explanation diagram sa screen. Gi-walk through punta mo sa akong code o mga key classes and patterns, which is kito mo patterns kung sa'yo nasa sulod sa patterns ato sa sulod sa structural design pattern, and then reflection trade-offs na to o kung sa'yo na-improve. So for me, the improvement of this is para mas visualize na to kung sa'yo nito asa ta mo sulod, and then ang finish na to nakuha para ma-fully executed siya, which is executable, and para ang atong mga end users, if like yung user is like mawili yun, para mas mapanilad na to, para kung ito ang visualization sa ito, para mas mapa-explain. At the same time, hindi readme na dito na naka-documentation, naka-document na siya kung sa mga process, step by step na dapat bahan para ang ito ang program or system is executable. So that's all.